a toolbox, no home for a wrench. The little lost socket is under the...
Hello and welcome back to On the Workbench. Today we're going to be doing a top 7 holiday gift-giving guide for the tool lover in your family, or maybe yourself. These are in no particular order, but these are 7 tools that I picked out that I think would make great gifts this holiday season. I know some families will be exchanging gifts around Thanksgiving. So you might have to wait until Christmas, or you might have a combination of both. So I want to get this out there to get your mind thinking about what you want to put on your Christmas list and what you want Santa to bring you. So, in no particular order, let's start with number 1. This is the Astro Pneumatic tire inflator. So this has a large gauge here. It's about 3 inches in diameter, very easy to read, and this requires no batteries. It's a large dial, easy to read, clips on the end of your air compressor line. Clip this onto your tire. You can deflate the tires, inflate the tires, quick glance, very reasonably priced. And so I think this makes a great gift. I'll put links for all these tools down below where you can find them. Some of those will be Amazon affiliate links that help support this channel. But I think this is an excellent gift idea. And the best part of this, no batteries required. There's digital versions of this, and I've been using this quite a bit, and it works fantastic. It's super easy to read. You get a quick reading. You can dial it in exactly for what you want the pressure to be on your tires. Item number 2 on this list, in no particular order, is this. This is the K-Tool zip tie cutter. So this pulls zip ties tight and cuts them. I've got a video. I'll put a little card up here. Take a look at that. This is a very cheap tool, but if you use zip ties, you need to bundle things up. Almost everyone can use this, even if you're not a tool person. If you're just an average homeowner, you've got an in-law or someone else that needs something unique and quirky, I think this might be the tool for them, because zip ties come up everywhere. You can use them to bundle up things, bundle up whatever it is you're doing around your house, bundle up your pencils, and then cut them off nice and tight and close, and it'll look professional every time. Item number 3 is a Proto 4-ounce AntiVibe hammer. This is a ball peen hammer. Now, not every job requires the biggest hammer that you can own. Some jobs require small hammers. And a lot of folks always buy the big hammer first and keep going bigger and bigger and bigger. But sometimes these little guys are just an important little addition to your toolbox, because not everything needs the biggest hammer that you have. And so for that, we're going to put this on our list. Our next item on our holiday gift giving guide is this. This is the SK Extra Long 5/8 spark plug socket. So if you see some of the videos, I've extolled the virtue of this socket quite a bit. This socket measures almost about 3 3/4 inches all the way down. It's got a knurled end back here. It's made in the USA by SK, very reasonably priced. And this gives you that extra reach that if you're trying to manually start a spark plug, you can do that with this knurling, very easy. It works great in small engines, works great in cars, and it's just a great addition to your toolbox. It's not going to replace your other spark plug sockets, but this is just a great extra spark plug socket that helps you get the job done a little quicker, a little faster, and a little easier. Our next gift-giving guide are these magnetic socket extensions. You can buy these from Gearwrench in a 3-piece set in 1/2, 3/8, and 1/4, and these help hold a bolt or a fastener on through your socket. I'll put a little video up here in the card up there. This is a snap-on set, but you can get these from Gearwrench, very, very reasonably priced in a 3-piece set. And anyone that has a socket set should own a set of these, because you'll find these invaluable, especially if you work on cars or other small engines. Our next tool on our list is this. This is the Capri Blow Gun. So this is a nice pistol grip blow gun that gives you great control. You can buy some accessories for it that you can screw on the end here and replace this. So you can have a fan or a few other nozzle styles. And this is nice, easy to control, and works great. And it's got a regulator built into the back that you can control how much air you're putting out, so you can dial in if you're trying to dust off a woodworking project or just blow debris out of your engine or off your workbench. It's a great, cheap tool that you should think about adding to your Christmas list. And the final tool that makes this year's Christmas list is this. This is a pair of hose clamp pliers. These are ratcheting hose clamp pliers. These are made by Mayhew. These are actually the snap-on version, to be fair, but they are made by Mayhew, and you can get the Mayhew ones much more reasonably priced than the snap-on ones. And there's just only a slight difference in the geometry of the head. And so these are great because this has a number of ratcheting positions here where you can dial down exactly how tight you want your hose clamp to be. You can also replace the cable, and this works on a variety of hose clamp fasteners. And you can use this also if you're servicing other things like a washing machine, so you need to take it apart and clean it. The drain hoses on that usually have some form of a hose connector. These also have a little clip that you can clip the little cable here through the bottom. And I would advise you get the Mayhew. These are actually made by Mayhew for snap-on. Exact same tool, small difference at the head. And I think it's a great tool that everyone should have in their toolbox, because you never know when you can come across a hose clamp. And if you don't have the right tool for the job, it's a real pain to be able to get it done. And so with that, that's a quick look at a variety of tools that you may be interested in for yourself or Christmas, and these are my recommendations. And to you and yours, I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye.